Hey, what's up everyone, it's Jono here and welcome back to 0 to 124 hours. So in this module we're going to be talking about the things that we need to do to our video before we make it live. Now we've already done our review video and that's here inside of our YouTube account. So we're going to click on edit. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is add this to a playlist. So we just you can create a new playlist and just call it review bonuses. And then we're just going to select that playlist. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to put our affiliate link in here. Now, I'm going to drop this whole bit of text down below this video. Okay, so you can go and copy and paste this into your video if you want. I'm going to get rid of this bit here because you don't really need that. You can change this with your YouTube channel. Okay, and then recommending products, you can change this with your YouTube reviews of different products that you've made. I'm just going to get rid of this bit again. Right, so I'm going to copy this whole bit and you can do so too. I'm just going to save this first. Module 6 notes. So you can copy this whole bit which is below the video and you can paste this into your description. Now the first thing that we need to do is make our title and just write something like honest review of Local Vid Pro. Okay, so we've got Local Vid Pro review, honest review of Local Vid Pro. We do this because we need to have the word Local Vid Pro review in our title twice. Okay, so we just have a different variation of it here, and then we're going to write get Local Vid Pro plus bonuses here, and then we need to paste in our bonus page. So in our Google Calendar we saved our bonus page down here. We're just going to highlight that URL, right click, copy, and we're going to paste it right there. So this is going to be where people are going to click to go to our bonus page and ultimately buy. Copy this whole bit here and then paste it in again over the top of this bit down the bottom there. Right, thanks for checking out my review, and then we need to write in our keywords. So we're just going to copy Local Vid Pro, control copy, and then we're going to paste it here. So paste, and then paste it in front of all of these words. It's going to be Local Vid Pro review, Local Vid Pro bonus, Local Vid Pro review and bonus, Local Vid Pro bonuses, Local Vid Pro course review, Local Vid Pro demo, Local Vid Pro scam, Local Vid Pro course scam, Local Vid Pro course demo, Local Vid Pro preview, paste, 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 Local Vid Pro training course, and then actually just get rid of that last bit. Okay, and then next thing, you're going to copy this whole bit of keyword things that we've written in there. Right click, copy, and we're going to go down to tags down here. We can get rid of these tags that Google's automatically filled up for us, and then just simply right click and we're going to paste in all of those tags there. This is going to help us to rank our videos to the top of YouTube. Once you've done that, we're just going to click on save for the moment because we're waiting for this video to process. So if we go back to Video Manager, click on videos. Okay, you can see, okay, if we click on edit again, this is finished processing. We need to make a thumbnail. Right, so what I suggest you do is open up a new tab. You go back to canva.com. Okay, and you're going to click on YouTube thumbnail. So you're going to create a new thumbnail for this. Now, you have all of these templates on the side. Feel free to use, feel free to use any of these. But now I have a template for all of my thumbnails which uses an orange background. Now I do this because I think this orange color stands out. So it's going to help people, it's going to entice people to click on my thumbnail. So go and choose a background. Just choose something that stands out. Don't go with orange, because then everybody's going to end up using orange. Just use a different color. Make sure that you stand out from everybody else. I mean, a lot of lazy people that are watching this right now are probably just going to go and choose orange. But you need to stand out from all of those people. So go and choose yourself a different color. Make yourself unique. Okay, so choose from any of these backgrounds down here which you could use. Okay, you may be able to. Oh no, these are not free. Okay, if it says free, it means you can use it. It's maybe a purple one. What you're going to do is if you go to your uploads folder, you've already got Local Vid Pro. You've already got that logo that we saved before. The next thing that I suggest you do is go to Google, just type in YouTube play button.png, search for that, click on images, get one that's around 800. Oh, this one will probably be alright, 400 by 400. Transparent background, yes. Right click, save image as. Back to Canva. Okay, click on the little arrow in the image that we just downloaded. Click on show in folder and drag it across to our uploads folder in Canva. Wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, and then drag it across and put it right in the center of your video. Make it a bit smaller, but make sure you have it in the center. Now, there's some crosshairs on here. I don't know if you can see them very well, but this allows you to align it right in the center. That's what you want to do. Okay, next we're going to grab some text. We're going to grab a heading, and we're going to call it Local Vid Pro. Okay, we're going to choose a bold font, maybe like this one here. It's not too easy to read actually, that one. Maybe this one here. Okay, stretch it out, make it big. Okay, so like 70 or maybe even like 100. This needs to be like the biggest thing that stands out on this thumbnail. So let's move it to the top and let's turn it black so it stands out. And then let's move this one up here a bit, because in the bottom we need to grab another headline and we need to write the word review. We're going to make this red, probably like a darker red actually. Okay, and we're going to move this to the bottom down here, and again make it bold and make it, actually we'll do it all in capitals so people can see it, and make it big, like 80 or something, so people can see that this is a review video. And then move the logo down there. Now if possible, if you can get an image of your face, and again this is optional, but if you can get an image of your face down there, that's going to help you out. Let's see if I've got an image in here somewhere. So yeah, I usually just do this. Okay, so I have that image in the bottom right hand corner, and then a little bit more text, and we need to write plus best bonuses. Oops. Best bonuses. Okay, now you need to get a bit creative here and you know, use your design skills and make it look a bit tidier than this, but this would probably work as well. Once you've done that, okay, just click on File, Save, and then Download. Okay, wait for it to finish downloading. Once you've done that, go to YouTube and click on Custom Thumbnail. Go to your downloads and go and find that file that we just downloaded, this one here. Click on Open, and this is going to load as your thumbnail. Okay, so we've done everything. We've got our link to our bonus page in there. We've we've put all of our tags in there. We've made a playlist. The only thing left to do now is just make it public and then publish it. Okay, I'm just going to leave it unlisted because I'm actually going to make another video for this, for my 24-hour challenge, because in this particular video I was teaching you stuff at the same time, which is going to look weird. So I'm going to make another review video with this, and I'm going to rank that video instead. I'm going to make that other video instead, but this is just for the example. So you need to make it public and then publish it, right? Now, okay, let me just have a look at the stuff that we need to do next. Tags ping video. Okay, the next thing we need to do is ping this video to make sure that it has been registered in Google. So it's going to help us to get our video onto the first page of YouTube. So for that, we need to grab our URL here, right click and copy, and then we go to Pingdom. I think it's called Pingdom. Yeah, just type in Pingdom into Google and then just click on Pingdom Tools. Now this is a speed test product. Okay, actually go back to Google and just write in ping tool. Let me go and find the tool that we need to use for this. I think it was called Ping-O-Matic or something. Let me just try Ping-O-Matic. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so Ping-O-Matic.com. Get your URL from YouTube, and then we're just going to paste it into where it says blog homepage, and there, and we're just going to call it Local Vid Pro Review, or whatever the name of the product that you are reviewing. You just put it in there in blog name, and then just click on send pings. Okay, sorry, I did this a bit wrong. Need to check all of these, right? And then click on send pings. Now this is going to send a ping to all of these blogs, and it's going to register our YouTube video into YouTube. So it's going to help us to get our video onto the front page. Next thing that we need to do is, now this does require a little bit of investment. So I don't know if you do have any like $10 spare to do this. If not, don't worry, it might work without this. But basically, to make sure that we get to the first page of Google, to the first page of YouTube towards the top, this is what I suggest you do. You go to Fiverr, and you go to YouTube. Oops. YouTube video promotion, right? And you go and look for a deal for around $5 if you can. Let's go and see what they've got. Okay, instead of that, just search for social bookmarks. Okay, so any of these gigs will give you backlinks, okay? So just buy one of these for $5 if you have the money. If not, don't worry about it, okay? This will help you to get better rankings. It will help to get your video further towards the top of YouTube, which is ultimately going to make you more money because more people are going to see it. But if you don't have any further investment right now, don't worry, I'll show you another strategy in a minute. But basically, you just buy this gig, you give them your YouTube URL, and they will do this within 24 hours. Or hopefully it's a 3-day delivery, so you'd have to make your video 3 days in advance before the launch date to be able to use this. If not, if you have any social accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus is a good one. You already have a Gmail account, so go to Google and just type in Google Plus. Okay, and then click on the first one here. Okay, we're already signed in. Just click on Home, and then where it says What's New with You, okay, all you need to do is go grab your YouTube URL. Okay, right click, copy, go to your Google Plus account, and just paste it in there. Okay, just go and post it. Now this is going to bring up your video and you just simply go and post it. Now once you've done that, this should show up. If I just go back to home again, where are you? Okay, post. There we go. You just click on this button here. It's going to open up this post. You grab the URL, okay? Right click, copy. You go back to Ping-O-Matic, go to home, and then instead of your YouTube URL, you just replace that, so delete, and then paste with your Google Plus one. So delete, paste, and then send pings. This is going to paste this Google Plus. Now that in turn is going to help you to rank your YouTube video. Now if you do the same thing with your Twitter account, with your Facebook account, Tumblr accounts if you have them, that is all going to help your video to get to the first page of YouTube, and that is the free method, okay? If you don't have time to do that and you have a little bit of money, additional money spare, then you can go to Fiverr and you can order those social bookmarks. Now I've included a button down below this video where you can pick up the first upsell for 0 to 124 hours. Now this is going to show you what I do to my videos to get them to the #1 spot in YouTube. Now this is the best way to do it if you have that money spare. I think it's around $37, is buy that upsell, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get your YouTube video to the very first result, or in the top 3 results in YouTube. This is kind of my secret sauce. I don't tell everybody about this, only people who actually buy that particular product. So that's there if you want that further coaching showing you how to do that. If you want to get your videos to the top 3, then you would need to buy that, okay? Right, let's see what else we need to cover inside of this module just to make sure we got everything. Yep, that is it. We've got everything done right now. I'm going to come back to you in the next module and talk to you about some other stuff that you need to do. But for now, just make sure that you've done all of those things to your video, and then come back to the next module once you've completed everything in this module, and I'll see you on the next one.